Understanding the warranty period, easy English explanation. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore an important term you often hear when buying products: the warranty period. Understanding this phrase is key, especially if you're purchasing electronics, appliances, or other significant items. Let's dive into what it means and why it matters to you. A warranty is a promise from a manufacturer or seller. They assure you that the product you buy will work as expected for a certain period. If there are any problems or defects in this time, they will repair or replace the item free of charge. This guarantee shows that the company stands behind its product's quality. The warranty period refers to the specific time frame that the warranty is valid. It usually starts from the date of purchase and can last from a few months to several years, depending on the product and the company. During this period, if the product fails or has issues due to manufacturing defects, you can get it repaired or replaced without any additional cost. There are mainly two types of warranties: standard warranty and extended warranty. Standard warranty is what comes with the product upon purchase, while extended warranty is an additional coverage that you can buy for an extra cost, extending the warranty period further. It's crucial to read and understand the warranty terms. Some warranties may not cover certain types of damage, like accidental damage or issues caused by misuse. Knowing these details helps you use your product correctly and avoid voiding the warranty. If you face an issue within the warranty period, contact the seller or manufacturer. You'll likely need proof of purchase, like a receipt, and sometimes the product's serial number. Follow their instructions for repairs or replacements. We hope this explanation clarifies what a warranty period is and why it's important. Always check the warranty when buying products, and remember, it's there to protect your purchase. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful in your English learning journey.